Hello everyone, this is Prakash from Logoland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna cover how to create vintage logo. Actually, I have started vintage logo series and I've divided this series into three parts. In the first part, I will be creating a vintage logo from the scratch. In the second part, I will cover how to create the variation from same logo. In the third part, I will be making the logo presentable to the client. Okay, if you didn't subscribe my channel so far, you are requested to subscribe my channel right now. And I'm gonna see you next in the Illustrator. Let's get start this. So hello friends, let's start. So first of all, let me walk you through what we have right now on the screen. So you can see we have a photo of a tree. It's a oak tree. So we are going to utilize as a reference so that we can have a proper shape of a tree. Okay. And then this is the main logo name, Silver Oak Farms. And this is what I have to mention somewhere in the logo, South Carolina. Okay. Established in 2017. So let's move to the Photoshop. So you can see in the Photoshop, this is what we have, a branch having a lot of tree on it. So you can also search on the Google where you can have keyword like branch having leaves. So you can have a lot of result out of which you can go for the one that you like. Okay. So let's start. Let's move back to the Illustrator first. So here we are creating a tree and its vintage logo, emblem logo. Okay, so we what we have to do is first of all, this we have to use this image as a reference. So we have to make sure this image should be logged while working. It should not be moved. So what we have to do is select this image and let's head to the layer panel here. So just cut it and create a new layer, separate layer, and bring it down and paste in front, Control F. Okay, now just double click right here. You will have a dialog box like mine, layer option. So here you have to set as a template. Now you can define what value and how much dim you want this image to be. So just I'm letting the value around 80%. Okay. Okay, so on this layer one, I'm going to have my all vector data. So let's start. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this shape. I'm not going to create exact shape. So just I want to have it as a reference so that we can have a tree shape properly. Okay, so first what we have to do is I need a pencil tool. So you can go for the pencil tool. Make sure you double click and here the fidelity you can set it to the accurate. Okay, it should not be smooth. Then click OK. So I'm going to zoom. So you don't have to be very accurate. Let's start. Zoom it. So let's zoom it out. Little zoom out. Okay. So better to work in zoom condition. So you have to work like this. Okay, you don't have to be as accurate as this tree. So wherever you left creating the line, you can get back by just clicking on there and then start back. So you have to create zigzag line. Actually, zigzag line, you have to create zigzag line like this. If you somehow dropped off, so you can get it back by just clicking when you are getting a slash sign under the pencil. So you can draw your own shape if you want. You can go according to you. It is not necessary that you have to uh, imitate the shape as you are seeing right now. So as I told you, we are using it as a reference. Okay, let's see what we have. And I'm going to add black color. I just don't want, make sure you don't have any stroke color right now. So this is what we have. Okay, I this part is looking little weird, so I'm just want to fix it. So again, I'm going to take a pencil. So what you have to do is you go just create something what you like actually. Okay, so let's add black color. Okay, now select all and unite. So I want to make its shape correct. Okay, I'm not happy with the shape right now I'm having. So let's make some correction in its shape. So it's totally depend on visualization, what you are visualizing right now. So it depend on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking this down like so. So and suppose maybe I can copy it by dragging and plus pressing the alt command on keyboard. Let's horizontal flip. Yeah, now something like this. So let's unite the shape. I'm quite happy now with the shape I got right now. So let's make more addition somewhere here like this. Okay, or maybe here. So that's great. Let's unite them together. It's small, so keep it here. So one thing actually we are missing here, the edges of the tree are not looking like it's a tree actually. So some sort of leaf appearance should be there. So what we have to do is let's move back to the Photoshop where we have a leaf, a branch. Okay, here in the Photoshop, what we have to do is if you downloaded such image, so what you have to do is first press Ctrl L key upon your level dialog box. Here you can take the middle slider to the down so that we can have black color in the leaf like so. Okay, so now what you have to do is select, control click over here, now control C, copy. Now we have to move back to Illustrator. So here we have to paste it, control V. Now we need these leaves. So how to extract these leaves out of it? So what we have to do is select the image. Here's you can see in the property here you can see image trace option. So just click on this, and the best option to trace in the black and white is a silhouette. I generally use this one. Okay, go for this silhouette kind of option. So what this trace option does is it actually create the vector out of any image. Okay, so if you still you can fix the area you are seeing it is not proper according to you, like here these are not pointed actually. So let's click on this to edit them. I'm taking the threshold a little bit down, and I'm taking to make the sharp corner I'm taking the slider to the 100%, and you can play with this setting until you get the desired result. Noise, it will help you to add more detail. If you can check, if I'm taking the noise down, you can have having more detail in the branch. So I don't need those detail actually. So I'm happy with the result right now. Okay, expand. So that's, now what we have to do is just make it small. So we have to place like so properly. Check if they are not bigger enough. So let's the color same as this one. So yeah, I hope you know how I'm picking the color. Actually, I just press I key to get to access the eyedropper tool and then click. Okay. Suppose you want to change its color to the white. Okay, I'm going to select this one. I press I key. Maybe you come over here and click on this. Select this one and click on this. Now it got to catch the color from here. So let it be black one. So rotate it. So like this you can add on the edge of the tree. So this is what we have after placing all the leaves. Okay, select all leaves, means select all these elements and unite them together. Okay, that's all. So let's make it small. So let's have some little bit detail in this. So what we have to do is now. So I'm going to use Blob Brush right now. Shift B to access the Blob Brush. So few setting I need to do. So just double click on this so that you have a dialog box same as mine. So you can set the pressure. I hope you are using your pen tablet. Then you can have proper pressure kind of stuff in your brush actually, Blob Brush. So here I can have the value 4 by 4 actually, and okay. So I'm going to have not much smooth mid value. I think this one will be okay. So it will work like this. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is let's switch into the outline mode so that you can see what I'm going to do is. So I'm going to change the color actually. I'm going to change it to the white one so that I can see what is going on. Something like this. So let's start. All of element. Okay. Now we have to choose second one, minus front. Okay. Okay. There's a mistake. Let's take them out. Something. Okay. Now try. Okay. Okay. So here select all and deselect this one. Shift. We can use the shift to deselect. Okay, now select this one. Now let's try. So something here which is actually creating issue. Okay, this part actually. So delete this one. Okay. Now try. Okay, here we go. So you can see all the element has been trimmed out from the main shape of the tree. Okay, so that's great. Now we need to create a main bottom part. So let's do it. So I'm going to increase the size of the brush, so you can use parentheses. So first, okay, we have to create a basic shape so that I can have I can visualize what I'm going to do. So I have to create basic shape first. So better we can use the pencil, actually, pencil tool. Okay, you can press N on the keyboard. So this is how I'm going to do this thing. So whatever way you like to create this, so you can go for that. So so it is looking so weird, so I need to correct it. Okay, I'm going to correct this according to me. I'm not satisfied with this. Okay, this part is not looking good. Here it will go like this. So I'm using actually the blob brush. I need to make this large, like so. Let's zoom out. I think we need to enlarge this. Okay, let's enlarge this even more. Okay, that's great. So select this one. Okay, we can add more branches. Sorry. Now it's looking great. So I need to fix this part as well. Should be more thick, actually. Should go like this. Okay. I need to make it more thick. Let's check. Now, so now it is looking great. Okay, so what I need to do is first, I'm just going to cut it. Okay, I will paste it back, make them unite, and paste that back. So let's give it green color. Add some green color. So green, dusty kind of. I think this kind of green color. I think make it more dark. Okay. So let's add brown. Maybe you can go for green. I think. Let's add the same green actually. Okay. So let's add some detail into this. So I'm again taking the blob brush and going to change color with some light green. Okay, now sorry. So without selecting object we have to change the color, otherwise color will be replaced in that element. So now let's start adding some detail. So I just want it to be more light. Okay, I'm using the blob brush, add the detail. So we can add some highlight like so. Okay, so if you go and add detail, it will look awesome actually. So select whole tree, Control G, group, make it small. So it's time to add some shadow under this. So how to add the shadow? So make it. So what we have to do is I'm going to take the help out of blob brush tool. So I'm setting it to the smooth and press OK. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same this one color, this color. Okay. So you can create shadow like this. On this side. So here we can fill, sorry, we have to work carefully actually. We need the line which should be on one end very taper, on other end it should go. There's a problem actually with my pen tablet, that's why that's that is happening. So you can add some lines over here. So here the lines which is nearby the tree, there we have to actually make it dance, make this dance. So make sure there must be randomness. Should not look like a pattern. It should be a random pattern actually. Okay. Later on we'll take the shadow down. Thing like this. We can fill this area. Here we go. So I'm going to make group out of it. Okay. So this is the oak tree ready with us. Now we have to add logo name. So I'm just going to extract form text out of it. Just paste somewhere else. Paste it. Now we need to have a good vintage font as well. So we can go for Mora. So in this font we have normal, and the second one is a grungy type of. We can go for this one as well. Okay. So you can download this font as a sample, as a demo from any website. Easily you can collect for internet. You can download it from the internet. Just make them small. So let's check the form. Make it small. So here I'm going to use some other font like colors. I think this one will be great. I'm just going to this one. So increase. And its color I'm going to have this one. I'm going to change with this one actually. I'm going to copy somewhere, and let's select this one, and I'm going to expand this. Let's expand, and this one as well, expand, so that we can convert these font into a shape. Now these are no longer actually font. We cannot edit them. These have been now shape after converting them. So we can enlarge. Okay. So South Carolina, we have to mention this as well. So I'm going to use the same font as this one, which is Colors Regular. I'm going to use this one, but I want this one into like this in circle actually. So I'm going to create a circle around the tree. So let's have the stroke and double click, copy this one. Take this tool, type on path. Take this one and click anywhere you want. Just click here and then paste. So you might be seeing two standing bar line type something. So you can drag it and make it center. So I'm going to increase the gap, line gap. Oh, sorry, space gap. 300, I think 300, and then we can drag it somewhere here. So make sure. Okay, now we need to mention somewhere established 2017. So I'm not going to use the whole word. I'm just going to use est dot. Take type tool, est dot. So I would like to place somewhere here under the tree, and so I'm going to copy this. We don't need to make this font very large. It should be, it will work if it is small. So this is the one pattern of the logo. So I think we can have more things, like if you really want to add some elements, I think ornament element type. So we can have some stuff over here, like what I have to do is, let's come back here and set it to the fixed size. Now we can create some line like so. So I want to have with this color. Let's see, I think we need to have thin line. Okay, so as make sure you have set this to the smooth, so that you can have smooth line like so. Okay, and what more you can do is just make it big and place some circle if you need, and take the pen tool, so you can create something like this. Okay, not that's great. I'm just going to select all these elements. Okay, Control G. So copy this one and flip, select this one and align this one here. Okay, just select both the elements and reverse. You can set like this. Take the form. I think it is not in the center actually. Make it the center. That's correct. So here's our logo. So this is how you can create vintage logo. Okay, so now in the next video I'm going to show you how you can confine this logo in emblem shape. Emblem shape could be anything. It could be a round shape, it could be a rectangle shape, it could be a shield type shape. So you have to stay with me, so you can go and check my next video. So this work has not been finished up here. Just go and check my new video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel. If you didn't subscribe so far, do let me know what you have learned from my today's video by commenting in the comment box. And don't forget to see more part linked with the same video. I'm gonna see you in the next video very soon. Till then, bye, stay safe. Thank you.